Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tips video. If you want to use a different search engine besides the default Google search engine that is on all iPhones, the way you can do that is by tapping on settings. You want to scroll down until you see Safari, tap on Safari, and then you would see search engine. Tap on that. Then you have a list of all of the available search engines. And for example, if you prefer DuckDuckGo because of its more privacy oriented search, then you can select DuckDuckGo. And the next time you search for any topic using Safari, DuckDuckGo will be shown. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing this tip with all other iOS users. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.